Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is Lightning. We're gonna make a new custom car today. I know I've taken a break for a while. As you know, I made hundreds of Pixar Car Customs on my channel, and today we're gonna make Cupcake Lightning McQueen. I just saw him not long ago, and we're gonna have a really fun job making this today. This is Lightning McQueen, Rusty's Lightning from the old days. It's exactly the same car there, and we don't have a cupcake recipe yet, but here's what I'm gonna do. So I have some milk and some flour and some sparkles. So first thing I'm gonna do is add some milk to the flour. We're gonna make a cupcake mix. A little bit of flour. We're gonna get a nice mixture here so we can pour it on top of Lightning McQueen. Let's stir this up and see how it looks. This is gonna be really neat. It's not gonna be a long video because this is very easy to make. So if you want your parents to help you, just get some flour and some milk, make a paste. It looks like cupcake mix, but it's not really. And that looks pretty darn good. To the milk, to the flour, and you got a cupcake mix. Sorry for the noise, but wow, check this out. Now I'm gonna put a nice cloth down so I don't get my yellow paper all mixed up here. Turn this down here. Now I'm gonna put some, let's see, cupcake mix on top of Lightning McQueen. Cover them up. And its whole top is covered with cupcake mix, which is actually flour and milk. Wow, look at that. Okay, now we're gonna turn them around. Look at that perfect mixture. Okay, now the big treat is we have sparkles. Check this out. See all the sparkles on Lightning McQueen? Now watch this here. I have a whole bunch of sparkles here. I'm gonna put them on my hands. Oh, that's not too much. Let me make sure there's lots. That looks like Cupcake McQueen. Check it out. Let's see. Let's take it off this cloth now, so we'll see what it looks like on my yellow background. There is Cupcake Lightning McQueen. What do you think of that? Now, you guys know it. You've been watching my channel for a long time. I made lots and lots of customs. Remember some of these here, like custom zebra smoky. Let's see, there is Next Gen the King. Check that out. Let's see here, we have, I don't know what that is. Next Gen Chick Hicks, yes. If you're new here, you're missing a lot, because just subscribe to our channel and look up there. You'll see all kinds of videos that we made over the years. Now, I was trying to get out of the business a while ago, but now I'm back making videos. So if you have any suggestions, put them in the comment section, and we'll see how things go. Thanks for watching Cupcake Lightning McQueen.